Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 303 or robbery of cereals, fruits, or firewood in an inhabited place or private building. Article 303 applies when the robbery was committed by the use of force upon things without violence against or intimidation of any person in an inhabited house, public building, or edifice devoted to religious worship, or in an inhabited place or private building. Article 303 happens when robbery under Article 299 or under Article 302 was committed. However, the robbery consists in the taking of cereals, fruits, or firewood. Dito sa article na ito, Article 299 or Article 302 ay na-violate, pero yung ninakaw ay cereal, fruits, or firewood. Ang penalty din po dito ay mas bababa kasi the law recognize na yung taong nagnakaw or yung possibility na yung taong nagnakaw ay taong gutom lang. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.